Steve Baser here, application engineer with Lincoln Electric. Today I'm going to cover battery location and how to change the battery on our 3350 series line of welding hoods. So as we flip it over, you'll see we have one battery located right here in this corner. Going to release these two clips. Now up top here, we're going to remove the grind mode button plug, just like that. From here, I'll push on this, pull that out. You'll see it's right here. And this is a CR2450 3-volt battery. This is standard on 1840, 2450, and this 3350. And these come ready to weld. So we would replace that right there. Make sure that's clicked in. Make sure those are clicked in like that. Get our grind mode button plugged. Put our top clips in. And it should seat nice and snug. Lock those. You're ready to weld.